Francois, welcome.
Hello, Marcel. I'm very happy to be here. Thanks for the invitation.
Wonderful. Francois, you are the coordinator of the Invite project. Can you tell me a little bit what this project is trying to achieve?
The Invite project is trying to improve the variety testing, improve the efficiency, improve the quality, taking into account climate change, decrease of input for different kind of crops.
Mm-hmm. Wonderful, very important, because climate change, of course, is having its effect all in agriculture.
Yeah, so it's central point of the project. And the other objective, actually, which was not an initial objective, but I think we fill in that, is to merge a community of people from research, examination offices, and breeders. So Euroseed is a full member of the project. So it's a good community which didn't use really to work together. Mm-hmm. And so it's a good way to make people working together.
In a minute, I'm going to ask you about the achievements. But before that, if we talk about adapting variety testing to climate change, then I think of drought tolerance. Is that a parameter that you would take into account?
It's one parameter we took into account. Actually, we look at the climate change or abiotic stress, thanks to our network all over Europe. And so taking into account different conditions in Europe and looking at how the different crops are adapting there.
Yeah. So you say drought tolerance. What are some other parameters that you could look at?
We are working on 10 crops, so from apple to maize. Okay. So it's very wide. So we are working on different kind of things, disease, quality, the tomato and the apple quality, for example. And so we look at how this quality, for example, in apple, I'm an apple guy, the quality of apple is how the climate or the different conditions are impacting the quality.
Yeah, interesting. Francois, the project, the Invite project, is close to finalization, I think end of this year. Can you already share a little bit of the achievements so far?
Very difficult. It's a 5 years project, more than, 200 people working there, 30 different teams all together. We worked on phenotyping, so we did a lot on testing or even creating new tools, new ways of analyzing. So phenotyping for sure is one important thing on all crops and all kind of traits, so disease and all what I said before. Also genotyping. So the idea is to use molecular markers in the variety testing process to help to manage the core collection, the reference collection for the DUS, but also to target some traits with some markers. This is the third, I think, main achievement is about modeling, how to use modeling to better predict the behavior of one variety in one environment.
Okay, so you know in advance how a variety will perform.
Sort of.
Yeah.
And we also, it's what has been done in a very deep way on maize, for example, to what they call envirotyping. So to try to map the different region in Europe and characterize in terms of climate and soil this different region, and then to see how the varieties are adapting in these different conditions.
Wonderful. Very great. Sounds very exciting. Francois, once the project is wrapped up, what will be the next steps?
Actually, there are already next steps starting up. We are quite lucky. We help to promote new project, new EU-funded project, to work on the phenotyping and the enterotyping and modeling. So there are one big EU project which is called Phenet, and so a lot of partners of Invite are already there. And we are also thinking about the Invite 2, and see what, there are still a lot of things to do for sure. We try to assess for the impact of all our research on the current variety testing process, and so there are some TRL, what we call TRL, so the applicability of our results, which are still very low. So we would like to improve that. So yes, perhaps another invite, but at least still some project going on.
Mm-hmm. Wonderful. Good luck with the last few months. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, Marcel.